Okay guys, if your car won't start, make sure that you go and check the timing belt before anything else. I mean, I know you gotta check the water pump and the fuel relay pump, but as you can see, I have no timing belt, and that sucks. I don't know where the timing belt is. So what really happened is that I was driving the car and it just shut down on me. I don't know where, but I'm thinking, that I'm still good because I was pulling into the gym and the car just shut down, but I have the car on neutral. So hopefully, by putting the timing belt, everything's gonna get fixed. So now I'm gonna call this video, how to change your timing belt without taking the engine out. So first of all, you have to, while the car is still on the floor, you have to unloose, the bolts that are holding the front wheel. Oh my god, I hope this thing is still good. And then just lift up your car, find a good spot. Don't mind my fake oh my god, what is wrong with this car, with the jack? Okay, once you're done that, make sure you put a wheel underneath the car. That way, if the jack fail, you got something, that is gonna be holding the car. Now I'm gonna take the tire off. Okay, then you gotta unplug the sensor for the coolant reservoir. Then you have two bolts holding the reservoir. One is there, but it's not, and the other one is right there. Hope you're able to see it. Let's get that one out. Okay, once you remove those two bolts, you have get pliers for this hose and the one that is underneath this thing. I'm gonna show it to you. You just get this one out first, and the other one is that one right there. Just use some pliers and just get that one out too. Okay, once you take the reservoir out is too easy. Just one screw here, one screw there, and just get the two hoses that are holding the reservoir. Then you gotta take this one out, and I believe it's just one, so let's just get that one out first. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter. Let's put it somewhere where you remember. Now you gotta take one hose and the other one that's here. Two clamps with pliers, just get them out. You're gonna need some what is it called? My god, I forgot. I'm just gonna put it in the comments. Okay, once you take that one out, oh shit guys, you missed it. There was like 10 police cars, they were trying to get a car. I wish I would have got that, on my camera. Well, okay, there's two hoses for the power and steering reservoir, 1 and 2. Once you take this off, now you gotta remove this ones right here, 2 clamps. I'm just gonna take the whole piece out because you gotta get to the motor mount. Oh, I hope that's the car they're looking for. Oh no, it's not. It's just a patrol car. So something happened over here. Oh my god, I just wanna go over there and see what happened. My god. They really wanna get someone. Man, I just wanna record this shit. See, they keep looking for this guy, but they can't find him. Man, I hope I can get this on camera. They keep looking for him. Oops. Sí, güey. Lo quieren agarrar a huevo. Oh, there's another one. He got away, guys. He got away. Yeah, guys, I couldn't get it on video. They were pursuing that car. It was like 20 police cars. That's cool. Okay, after that, like I told you, you just gotta remove this hose right here. So this one you can push it all the way back. This is a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get that one out. Okay, guys, once you get to this point, if you can see all the bolts, you know, from your motor mount, then you gotta go down, and with your jack, you're gonna have to hold the engine. Okay, you gotta do this. Just make sure you get like a little piece of wood. I hope you were able to see. And you're just gonna have to lift up the jack so it can hold the engine. So that way, when you take the bolts, you know, from the motor mount, the engine is not gonna go all the way down. After that, you gotta take those two out first. Two are 17s and two are 19s. Those are 17s, and the ones here, these two are 19 millimeters. So let's start removing those two first. Now, you know what, guys, let's remove the 19 millimeters first. These two first, let's get them out, then we get the 17s out. Now when you're taking these two bolts out, turn one, you know, about 5 times, then go to the other one, and then to the other one. Okay, once you get those two out, now get the other 17s, one, and the other one's up. Okay, once you're done with that, you're gonna have 3 bolts that are 15. That's a millimeter socket. That's one you can see I almost got all the way out. The other one is right here, right beneath this piece right here. You're gonna feel it there. And the other one is like 3 inches, you know, lower. But I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, guys, that's just for reference. That's just so you can see where the bolts are. You see I stick them out. That's 1 and 2. Now in order to take these bolts out, you're gonna have to lift up the engine, so that way you get enough space, you know, to put the ratchet and get the bolts out. Now I'm gonna have to lower the engine to get the one that is down there. Now you don't have to get the engine completely down. Oh my god, I wish you was able to see, but the bolt is right here. This is covered in grease. So that one, that's the other one. Once you take that one out, then we're gonna get the bracket out. Okay, guys, once you get all the bolts out, what I like to do, I like to lower the engine to get this piece out, because believe me, it's kind of hard to get it out when you have the engine, when you don't completely remove the engine. So I'm just gonna put it all the way down, and then this piece I'm just gonna push it that way, and it's gonna come out this way right here. Okay, guys, believe me, getting this piece out is a real BI, and you know the rest. So first, you know, I lift up the engine all the way up, then, you know, I just start working my way out that way. Then when I got this piece, you know, like almost all the way to the corner, that's when I let the engine down, and that's when I was able, you know, to pull it from right here, and it goes out. So after this, now we're just gonna need Allen keys for the bolts, you know, for that pulley right there. Okay, guys, now this is very important, so I'm gonna show you the trick. You see that screwdriver over there? You're gonna have to put it like right here, so when it turns, it's gonna hold it right there. So now you're gonna come on this side, and you're gonna take these bolts right here, the Allen bolts. Already, you know, kind of, you know, like did what I have to do, but do that with the screwdriver, because if you don't do it, then the pulley is just gonna keep turning, and you're not gonna be able to get the bolts out. Okay, once you get them out, you just have to let me take out the bell, serpentine bell. Okay, serpentine bell is really easy to take out. This right here, you just gotta push it that way with one of this part, just push it that way, go to the right. So then just get down and just put the bell up. Once you get the bell out, with a little hammer, just hit it, so yendo, and then it should be coming off. No, it's not. Any second now. In a second. Okay, something's happening here, guys. I don't know what's happening. I just needed to use two hands, guys. So now the 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, all 10 millimeters, just get these covers out. Guys, once you take your covers off, now you just gotta put your timing belt on, and you're going to notice that you're gonna need something to press the it's called a hydraulic tensioner, and it has a piston, you know, that just goes out. So you're gonna have to push that in by pressure. So as you can see how I have that screw right there, that's if you want to do the timing belt, you know, with the engine, without taking the engine out. So this is this type of bolt. It's a 1032 by 2 inches, and then you're gonna have to use one of these. That way you have enough space, you know, to turn the screw, but you're gonna have to use a washer too. That way you're gonna be able to compress the piston, and you're gonna be able to put the timing belt. Now the marks for the timing belt, as you can see, that's the mark, and that's the mark on the pulley. The pulley has like a little cut, like a scratch, a mark. So you're gonna have to line that one with this. Now here, this part, you see this one right here, this right here has to be lined up with this. Those are your lines. So is that one, just the one up there, just put your timing belt. And now, since I couldn't put a little pin over there, I'm just gonna get this screw out, and then hopefully, you know, this car is gonna start. Well, I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna start, since, you know, the timing belt just snapped off of me. So I might have some valve damage, I don't know. So I mean, either way, I'm only doing this video, you know, just to show you how easy it is to put the timing belt on these cars. Like I told you, for the hydraulic tensioner, use a washer, use the 1032 by 2 inches. Don't go longer than 2 inches. 2 inches is gonna be good. And then just try to find one of these. This is like an Allen type screwdriver, so that way you're gonna be able to turn the screw. Now let me get the screw out and see what happens. Guys, this is basically how I told you, just to compress the piston. Well, you're gonna use the screwdriver, but here I'm using pair of pliers, You see how where the washer is? The washer is so it can touch this tensioner right here. Now when you start screwing this the screw right here down, then it's gonna push the little piston that is down here. So put a washer. You on this side you have, you know, the hole, you know, for the screw. So just screw it, piston will go down, then just get it out. Once you put your timing belt, just put your motor mount and your bracket back. This one is, like I told you, it's gonna be hard to put it back, but just go this way so you can put it in. Man, I wish, you know, I will have somebody, you know, recording this with me so you can actually see, you know, how I put it in. But now you basically have the idea on how to do it. Just put this one back on, put the screwdrivers. The long one is for the one that goes here, and the other two, one for here and one for the bottom. Set this one first and put this, don't put them all the way in, the bolts, and then just kind of align this. When you see that it's aligned, then put these two bolts. Now one by one, just, you know, go the way down with one, then the other one, and then when you tighten these bolts, just go little by little, one here, then here, 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 just like that. Now I'm just gonna put the what is this thing called, the reservoir for the power and steering, and the coolant reservoir. So that's it for this video, guys. I already put my reservoirs back, and just remember the screwdriver for the pulley, so you can turn the Allen balls, you know, that are holding the pulley. The one for the hydraulic tensioner, how to push the piston down. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope the video was helpful. And thank you so much for watching.